everybody. So today is gonna be one of my most exciting videos ever because I'm going to launch a firework into the sky. I think it's a firework or firecracker, never mind. So for those of you who are staying in countries like Singapore and other random countries, you may know that this rule is like illegal. But for me, the country that I'm in right now for holiday, that rule is in the trash, like this bomb. Yeet! I think we just shoot it. So, now I'm gonna launch the firework and see, that's the firework over there. So, now I ask my dad to do it. Papa, do you like the firework now? Countdown. Move. It's gonna blow. Oh my God! Well, that was crazy. Oh, you saw that, right? Oh. And just you're wondering, that was only one firework. I still have two more. One is the same and one's a totally different one. But I think we should do the same one first. Never mind. Let's just wait for my dad to set it up first. I'm doing this just for content, by the way. So don't judge me for that, and I don't want any parents telling me that you did this in the country and you burned something down. So yeah, just don't do it. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit dangerous. Backing up, backing up, backing up. Okay, well that was short, but that was awesome. So now we're doing the last firework. It's like lighting TNT actually. Quite funny. On my count. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna blow. Papa, run! It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. It's gonna blow. I'm surprised none of the fireworks caught anything on fire. Oh, this is more. Well, that's all the fireworks, I guess. So I guess this video is done. Oh, and I'll post more videos in the future. I just have to think of more ideas. Actually, this was my dad's idea, by the way, but I was the person who wanted to film the video and do the fireworks. So, just like, don't do this like at your house nearby or something. Just do it in a park, like separate area, so you don't burn everything down. Like literally on top of my mom who's capturing the video right now, it's literally leaves. So yeah, it's a bit. So anyways, bye, and I'll see you in the next one.